Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how we can start or form an LLC in North Dakota. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website for setting LLC, and you can really effectively outsource it to LegalZoom. And now let's start. You want to click here on LLC, and then you just want to simply call it Stone's company, whatever name you got. Then check availability. Now we just simply choose North Dakota or South Dakota. Again, up to you which one you choose. Let's go with the North. Search. And then okay, Stone's company appears to be available. I just add here the email address, get my LLC. We're passionate. When do you want to launch? Let's go with a soon. Okay, continue. Is a Stone's company a first LLC? If it's yes, just yes. If it's no, then no. And now, what will the Stone's company do? Let's go with e-commerce. Again, you just add this category. You can see restaurant, florist, consulting, travel, technology. Continue. Will Stone's company have employees the first year? Again, you choose yes or no based on if you're gonna have the employees or no. And then essential services for Stone's company. So by law, you will require a registered agent, and then you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. So see essential services. Now, you are legally required to appoint a registered agent. Okay. You can do it with LegalZoom, or what you can do is just simple appointing a different registered agent, up to you completely. Now the first thing that there are essential documents that you need. The first is operating agreement, which is it's essential, or you can go operating agreement plus EIN. So EIN is required, without that you can file taxes or open a bank account, or you can go also with licenses, and that's key documents, including help with the required federal, state, and local permits and licenses. So it depends what kind of business you're starting, but I would recommend going with the bigger one, or just with a operating agreement and EIN. Again, completely up to which one you choose. Now, when we got it, you got business services for Stone's company. The first one is a legal protect, which is going to be unlimited 30-minute consultations with independent attorneys that you can have about your questions and employment. You can have it or no. Or then you have total compliance here. Again, total compliance is that LegalZoom is going to set up everything, stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And if they miss anything, they pay the fine and penalty. So this is huge. Again, you can have it or no. Now let's go further. And then we're gonna see the packages here. Now, what I recommend is going with Express Gold. You're gonna have it in 10 days. And you're good to go. Or you can go with the economy, which is $80. But the huge thing about Express Gold is that you're gonna have 7 days a week lifetime customer support, get help when you need it, and then you're gonna have it in 10 days, so you can start business immediately. And in those 20 days, you can earn those $250 what you're gonna pay, right? It's possible. So when you got it, click here. No thanks. And now we're gonna see the price here. You can also open Bank of America the account. You can simply change the operating agreement to this one. Easy setup. Express Gold, go to economy. Update the order, and you would pay much less money, right? So this is pretty much it how we do it. Then just press here continue checkout. And yeah, this is pretty much it. You just add here the card number and everything. And voila, here your LLC is going to be created. They're going to send you some emails for verification. And yeah, thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.